Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a continuation of the last video, more demolition. So this wall will be going away up to this line that we put here in the last video. There's some wiring back here that we need to trace. So yeah, let's get to it and start making a mess. Okay, now we can see inside our wall. We have one electrical box back in here. This is for the thermostat, for the baseboard heater. And then this one here is the light switch, which goes up and over to that light there. Now, I'm going to take this piece of drywall out and then just let these boxes hang for now until I find out where they actually go. So, being very careful not to cut the wire, I'm going to get this box out of here with the Sawzall. So, I'm going to cut it right there. Go. Okay, so I've killed power to this. So we're gonna get it out of here. I'm not actually sure if I'm gonna put it back in after the reno's done. This room doesn't really need a baseboard. And that screw does not want to come out. So I'm going to make it come out. What is that? Huh, okay. Some sort of little green lens thing. Cool. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a picture of this, just in case I decide to put it back together. Now, all I'm going to do here, take the nuts off, and I'm just going to block off the wires with the nuts. They'll likely be coming out anyway. But this, the power to the baseboard heaters is on its own circuit, so that will just stay off. There, done. We'll put this thermostat aside. Although I'll probably end up buying a brand new one when the time comes. Okay, back to the other side. Gonna pry off all these, all the staples that hold the wire on. Being careful not to pinch the wire. And yes, I know a screwdriver is not a pry bar, but it's my screwdriver and I don't care. There we go. All our wire is now loose. We can start cutting again. Yeah, I'm gonna cut along the top there, I think. Oh, no, it doesn't need to. Okay, I am gonna cut this corner though, just so it has a nice clean edge to break along. Turns out this is one big sheet. It's put in here vertically. So I'm gonna make it easy on myself and cut it in half. Go. There we are. There. Nice big convenient half. Now I'm just gonna pry this box off. Go. Get these nails out of here so I don't stab myself. Okay. And this wire is our other light switch, which I'm going to have to cut around nicely. But I'm going to start over here. Okay, so now I'm going to start cutting out these studs. Let me bring a light over here. Make sure you fold over your nails on the floor. Okay. All right, now I'm going to work on cutting this guy out. Now it's connected here, but this is not supporting this ceiling. It just happens to be connected. I'm going to start by chopping this thing. Maybe? No. Take that out first. And once again, just bang those over so I don't step on them. Now I'm going to get rid of this one. And this one I have to be a little more careful with because there's still drywall on the other side that I want to keep. So I'll be a little more surgical with it. Okay, now that I've started my cut, just split this apart. There, now my wires are free. Alright, now before I go cutting out this post, I'm going to remove this door frame. Okay, so now I need to get that electrical box out of there. So I'm going to do a cut across the top, cut across the bottom, and swing it out of the way just like these ones. I've just tucked on my wiring up here for now until I'm ready to deal with it. Now I can cut that post out of there. Okay, now it's time to clean up. Let me get all this shit out of here. Okay. There we go. That's how I'm going to leave it tonight. I'm probably going to be tearing down the ceiling here, and that'll go into a drop ceiling. I would have left it, but the whoever built it made half of it a little lower than the other. So that's going to go away. I'm going to rip down all this drywall off the ceiling next time, and that'll eventually go drop ceiling. There's also a lot of poly B pipe up here that I need to replace with PEX. I might do a little bit of that in a future video. But for now, time for dinner.